I look exactly the same as I did in the last video. I am bulk filming right now, and I just realized I didn't change my shirt. Like, at the very least, you could have changed your shirt, Bethany, but I didn't. So if you haven't seen it yet, last video was an update video. So if you just saw this video in your feed and you're like, what the heck is going on? I explained everything in my last video. We are actually going in and doing a Sips by unboxing. It's been a while, right? I was in my old apartment when I last did a Sips by unboxing, and that actually has something to do with why it's been a while. For some reason, moving here created an issue with all things shipping related in not only the Sips by world, but just other worlds. I had my mail forwarded and still like went in and changed my address with everything. And for some reason that like screwed things up. I don't know. Regardless, I finally got a freaking box. It's been a while and I don't even know which box this is. I don't see a date as to when this was sent. We'll see when we open it up, but I got one box when I lived in my old apartment, and then we moved and everything got all screwed up and I finally got a box. And this could be anywhere from May's box all the way up until like September's box. I don't know what happened. It'll be a little surprise. They've been great understanding like what's going on. I got a few messages like, hey, where's your video? And I'm like, hey, where's my box? Regardless, we have a box now. We will see what this is. This could be very summery. This could be very fall. I'm not sure. Let's see, shall we? If you are not sure what the heck I'm talking about, Sips by is a personalized tea subscription box. So it's $15 a month for you to subscribe to Sips by, and you get 4 personalized teas with each box. Of the 4, I believe you get like 4 packets of each tea, so you can get a total, I think it ends up being about 15 plus cups of tea per month for $15. So it's like $1 per tea or less. Great, that's awesome, I know. I loved my last box. A lot of the flavors I was a big fan of, so I'm very excited for this box, finally, now that I have one. If you are interested at any point in subscribing to this box, please be sure to do so. I have a special code for you where you can receive $5 off of your first box. It's just Bethany5, which is on the screen. Make sure you spell it right because Bethany is spelled Bethany in my world and my parents' world apparently. Let's just open this box. Oh! Hey, we are not that behind. This is September's box. Wonderful. That is just perfect. I don't know what happened to the other months. I really don't. Probably whoever is currently living in my old unit got all of my teas, which I'm a little salty over, but that's fine. When you create your account, you get to fill out a little quiz thingy to figure out which teas are best for you. Some people like spice, some people like floral, some people like high caffeine, some people like no caffeine. When you go to sign up for the box, it has you do a quiz. I personally am a big fan of spice teas because I'm a very fall-oriented person, so I love the taste of fall in my cup. I also really like minty teas, so this box is personalized for me. That does not mean that you would get the same flavors because you take your own quiz and you say what you like. The first tea is Stephen Smith Tea Maker blend number 67. It says Meadow. This is chamomile, South African rooibos, fragrant hyssop, linden flowers, lemon myrtle, rose petals, safflower, cyanide flowers, and natural flavors. Caffeine free in particular, so this is a really good one because it's got chamomile. So you can drink this before bed. Got 3. So 3 different, or 3 of the same tea, 3 different packets. Next one that's really catching my eye are these cute little pink ones right here. They're called tea drops, and it is rose Earl Grey. some caffeine in it, which is great because your girl likes caffeine. These tea drops, it just says 1 drop per 8 to 12 ounces of water, which is like really interesting. So you just, this is a true loose leaf tea. Some sediment will be at the bottom of your cup. Ditch the tea bag for your perfect cup of pour, drop, enjoy. It's just like a cute little shape from what I can tell. It says it contains organic raw cane sugar, organic Earl Grey tea, which is black tea and bergamot oil, and organic rose petals. So it says it's a high caffeine content, bold and royal. This organic Earl Grey tea drop has a distinctive flavor of bergamot orange and a hint of English rose. You're just 1 drop away from your perfect cuppa. Cute. 4 different cups of this one, whereas the other one had 3. So I'm really excited to try this one because they're so cute. They're so little. I love it. The high caffeine content, I think this will be a really good one for the morning. Next one right on top here is this big one right here. And it is Moonlight Jasmine by Rishi. It says 1 sachet per 12 to 16 ounces of water. And it says this prized jasmine scented tea is made exclusively from spring harvest tea buds. Each double dose sachet can brew up a small pot for 2 or an extra large mug. It's about a medium caffeine content, which would be good for the morning, afternoon-ish time. It says it's a scented green tea. It came with 2. I kind of want to smell it. And it definitely seals. There's like a little Ziploc thing. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Alright. Last but not least, we have this one, which is a super pretty color. And it is Storehouse Tea Bright Mint Organic Green Tea. It is an organic gunpowder green tea leaves, organic peppermint, organic spearmint. It's a low caffeine. It is lively and clean. This classic gunpowder green tea is blended with the finest peppermint and spearmint, refreshing the palate. Ooh, this one is gonna be right up my freaking alley. I love mint. It says it's low caffeine, so it will be good kind of like late afternoon. Don't need to worry about caffeine screwing everything up. Came with 4 packets of it in the box. Guys, look at this color. What a beautiful color. If you are not a fan of mint, you would just simply not choose that you want mint. My sister hates mint, so in the little test quiz thingy to get to know your preferences, you can just not check the mint box. One more time, if you guys are interested in subscribing to the Sips by Box, make sure you use my code Bethany5 for $5 off of your first box. Doesn't hurt to try it for at least 1 month and see what teas you can get. Alright guys, well I am going to go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I will see you all in my next video. In the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys!